actually, we're actually, because even though it's just like this West 4th Street, it's actually West 3rd.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yo, there's another curve track.
Up ahead, there's another curve track. You hear that?
I did.
Yeah. I like the curve track.
Another curve. There's another R60. This is West 4th Street. This is a 96th Street bound holiday nostalgia train. The next stop is
34th Street, Herald Square.
The next stop is 34th Street, Herald Square. Yep.
Yes, baby, how you doing?
Tiana, no, we weren't even.
Tiana, how you doing?
I had a few stand clear.
Okay.
I don't have any room to be moving my elbow.
Here we go. Sixth Avenue Express.
Say goodbye, West 4th Street.
6th Avenue Express, guys.
Curve again.
No,
we're not switching.
Because there's no signal for that. Because if we're switching, then it would have to be green or yellow.
Well, this is better because we get to go fast.
Yeah, we are on the express track now.
Yeah.
Isn't it West 4th Street when the L train is at as well? No, the L train is on the
Oh, here we go. Entering 34th Street, Herald Square. That was 6th Avenue. That was 6th Avenue Express.
What's the last stop on
96th Street.
One more stop, guys, and then we're getting off to get cocoa.
Riding 6th Avenue Express to 6th Avenue Firey on the holiday train.
This is a 96th Street bound